Today we'll see about how to render the sequence and collaboration diagram. The main purpose why we are going to learn this is to render the specific flow of the business objects for a particular system, and also to show the interactive behavior of a particular system. In this we are having two main diagrams, or two main models called as here interactive models, called namely sequence and collaboration diagram. So what we need to render is, first we need to identify the list of business objects, then we need to identify the flow of events. As we have been into the library management case study, so now first I will show you how to draw a sequence diagram for searching a particular book and issuing as per the request of the user from the librarian. So sequence diagram consists of the objects, the lifeline, the focus control, which I have already discussed in the class. So this is your objects called as user, library, computer, your books database. So now first the user will log in into the system, will authenticate it to get from the book database. Next he'll get the acknowledgement, he'll log in. Next he'll enter the book name. Next he'll search, he'll get the acknowledgement number. Next he'll get the information whether the book is found or not. Next the request is sent to the system back. Next book is issued, proper authentication from the database, getting book issued, log out successful. So in the sequence diagram we are having the sequence rendering of the message communication from one particular object to the another. So this sequence of objects is being rendered as this message communication. So we say this as your lifeline, which is having throughout the existence of the objects, and we call it as the focus of control, where a particular focus of control will be lying whenever you have the message passed from each object. Okay, so like this we can also do the sequence diagrams for another case activity, communication bit for a particular book cancellation or payment of the fine, and so on. So for the same also we are going to show how to draw a collaboration diagram. It's just an isomorphic phase, an alternate phase of the sequence diagram. So we say that the sequence and collaboration diagrams are isomorphic. So I just show you that. So this is a collaboration diagram for a same sequence. We are having in terms of a collaborative of a cluster of the objects which are being having the linking of the messages followed by a arrow message count authentication renders. So in the previous diagram we had a flow in a vertical ways, one after the other, where the first object is given most priority and so on, whereas in the collaboration we are having cluster of objects, cluster of group of objects. Next, this is the reference. So we'll see next class about state chart diagram.